In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off ClickUp email notifications. If you've ever found your inbox overflowing with notifications from ClickUp, you're not alone. This video will help you manage this easily. First, what you'll want to do is head over to the ClickUp website. Open your preferred web browser and type in clickup.com. This will bring you to the ClickUp homepage, the versatile work management platform some of you may already be familiar with. Once you're there, direct your eyes to the upper right corner where you'll see the login button. Give that a click. This will take you to a page where you can enter your login credentials. Go ahead and proceed with logging into your account. If you don't remember your password, you can always use the forgot password option to reset it. Simply follow the instructions on the screen. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your ClickUp dashboard, which is essentially the heart of your ClickUp experience. Here you can manage your notifications, tasks, and all your customization settings. Now direct yourself toward the Home tab. This is likely labeled with your workspace name, so don't be alarmed if it shows something personalized. Clicking on this tab will give you access to your overall settings and preferences. Next on the agenda is accessing your profile settings. Your user profile icon is generally located in the bottom left corner of the screen. By clicking on your profile, a drop-down menu should appear. In this menu, look for something that says Settings or Profile and click on it. Once you're in, explore the different settings, but what you're specifically looking for is the notifications option. On the notifications page, you'll see various options regarding how ClickUp interacts with you via notifications. Click on notification settings and then find your way to the email section. Clicking on email will allow you to see all the email notification settings that you can turn on or off depending on your preference. Scroll through the list. You can toggle off email notifications you're not interested in. This way you maintain full control over what you allow into your inbox. Going through these settings will help you streamline your communication from ClickUp, making sure you only get notified about what's really important to you. And there you have it, you're now equipped with the knowledge to manage and reduce those pesky email notifications from ClickUp. Follow these steps and you'll have a more organized and less cluttered email experience. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more management tips. Have a productive day.